Karyans, have you ever skipped your weekly review because it felt too long, too heavy, or too complicated? Or what if the problem is not discipline, but duration? Most people either don't review at all or they over review. They spend hours analyzing, juggling, and overthinking the week. This creates fatigue, not clarity. In Vedic productivity, a review is meant to restore energy, not drain it. Namaste Karyans, I am Vanitha Ganeshmurthy Dgvg, your Vedic productivity coach and the founder of Shuddhi Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks, where we raise and grow 1% every day the Vedic way. Today, let's simplify the week review. The Veda speaks to rhythm, natural order, and rhythm. Anything effective follows rhythm. Weekly reviews is not analysis, it is a realignment. A Vedic ways weekly review should take 15 to 20 minutes, not more. Why? Because clarity comes from reflection, not exhaustion. Here are three Vedic part reviews. Point number one, Shuddhi, that is the cleanse. 5 minutes, just ask these three questions. What worked? What did not work? No judgment, just observe. Point number two, Drishti, that is the clarity. Just it takes 5 minutes. What deserves focus next week? One priority, not many. Point number three, Sankalpa, that is the commitment. It just takes 5 minutes. What is my intention for the coming week? Write one clear Sankalpa. That's it. Short, calm, and complete. This week, block 15 minutes for your review, not hours. If you want to learn how to design weekly, monthly, or seasonal reviews the Vedic way, join the Karyasiddhi Productivity Hub or book a discovery call with me for the personalized clarity. Until then, I wish you to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.